Welcome to the Foul Mouth News, where the filters are off and the language is colorful. If you are offended by profanity or vulgarity in general, not to mention political incorrectness, this video is not for you. You have been forewarned. So if you have virgin ears, be prepared because they are about to be violated.
Hello, everyone. Now, when I saw this right here, this is complete and total bullshit. The Sixth Circuit Court, these fucking judges are cock-gobbling cunts. This was a clear violation of the First Amendment. It was an attack on the Second Amendment while at it. And these fucking retards, oh, it wasn't a violation of the girls' rights. And of course, you know, Wood TV here has to republish an article from the Associated Propaganda that was published on May 2nd. I know I'm getting to it a couple days late here, saying how the court said that no rights were violated. So, you know, again, we get an article here via Wood TV 8 from the Associated Press. Title here, court says no rights violated when Michigan school told girl to remove hat with image of gun. Oh no, a Pew Pew. Oh no, the evil mean Pew Pew on the little girl's hat. Fucking third grader. Okay, all right, I would have lost my shit on these fucking cunts. Okay, because the way the court actually justified this, they didn't fucking look at law. They didn't look at anything. They went by feelings. Okay, and supposedly the school staff, all right, the school, you know, officials, they knew how every fucking student felt about the hat, and they were just acting on that. Well, that still doesn't suppose, if that was true, which clearly it couldn't be, that does not negate the fact that they have no right to do what they fucking did in the first fucking place. These fucking cunts. I swear to fucking God, these fucking cunts. This is fucking ridiculous shit. Okay, we need to go and have these fucking teachers in these fucking schools fucking, like, this is ridiculous. Parents need to fucking go in and bitch slap these fucks. Not literally. I'm talking like, you know, the PTA shit where we actually have a say in our kids' educations. Okay, because the whole point of the PTA, this is before 1980 with the Department of Education, was the parents got with the schools and said, this is what you fuckers are going to teach our kids. You're not going to put any fucking shit in. And the parents actually dictated to the schools. Then we had the, you know, Department of Education fucking come around, and the NEA and all these other teachers unions gain a lot of fucking power, and they dictate shit as they indoctrinate and brainwash our fucking kids to look at our country and even our own fucking, us as their parents as fucking shit. So fuck you. But anyway, court says no rights violated when Michigan school told girl to remove hat with image of a gun. I mean, oh my God, fucking retarded. Anyway, a Michigan school did not violate the free speech rights of a third grade student who was told to remove a hat that had an image of an AR-15 style rifle and the message "come take it" in capital letters, a federal court said Friday. That is clearly a fucking First Amendment constitutionally protected fucking thing. Fuck you. The principal of Care Elementary School in Durham said the hat could be disruptive and perceived as threatening, especially because the school in 2022 had new students from Oxford, a district that was the site of a school shooting just a few months earlier. Oh, fucking cry me a fucking river. That does not matter, okay? It could have been disrupted and perceived as threatening. How does a fucking hat with a drawing of a Pew Pew on it could be possibly perceived? How could it possibly be perceived as threatening? How could it be disruptive? The only way it's fucking disruptive is fucking retards like you stupid fucking bitch, okay, are getting their fucking granny panties in a fucking bunch, you cat-having cunt, because I'm assuming this is a woman. They don't want to say, okay. This was a clear fucking violation. This was about the teachers. A bunch of fucking, you know, lefty white fucking teachers going, oh my God, a Pew Pew. This had nothing to do with the kids. This was about the teachers themselves overstepping their fucking bounds. And the fucking court, this needs to be appealed even higher. Like, take this to the fucking Supreme Court, because this is bullshit. This is clearly a violation of the First Amendment. And they're just using feelings. Oh my God, it could be perceived. Okay. It could be perceived. Okay. Me giving you the middle finger could be perceived as a lot of different fucking things, you stupid bitch. I mean, what the fuck? Oh my God, but there was a school shooting at another school where we took some students from a few months earlier. So fucking what? Their feelings do not trump the fucking constitutional right, nor does your feelings trump the constitutional right, nor does the teacher's feelings trump the constitutional right of that child to wear that fucking hat. You stupid fucking cunt. I mean, Jesus Christ, when I grew up, okay, kids would park their pickup trucks with fucking shotguns and rifles in a rack on the fucking back, up at the back window. I mean, give me a fucking break. Because they were going hunting and shit when they got out. Oh, but these kids, because these kids came from a school where there was a school shooting a few months earlier. They weren't in the school. It was from the district where there was one. The school itself didn't have one. These kids were about as much involved in a school fucking shooting as fucking David Hogg was, who was across fucking campus and is the only fucking school shooter that was never involved in a fucking school shooting. Or I should say, victim of a school shooter. I mean, give me a fucking break. Anyway, the school's actions were readily defensible, the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals said in a 3-0 opinion. Bull fucking shit. How is that defensible? This is how they try to justify it. The record demonstrates that school officials relied on their knowledge of the student body to make a reasonable forecast of a substantial disruption in school activities, and therefore did not violate the First Amendment by asking CS to remove her hat, the court said. Fuck you. Okay, so they knew the feelings of the fucking students. No, this was about their feelings. Their feelings were hurt by the fucking hat. This had nothing to do with the kids. Okay, did any kids go and complain about the hat to the administration or a teacher? No, clearly not. The only people who had a fucking issue with this fucking hat after she had been wearing it in the school was the fucking teachers, was the fucking principal. And for the fucking court to rule based on feelings that they didn't violate the First Amendment when they were acting based on their feelings, knowing full well that's a constitutionally protected fucking thing, okay? These judges, these are examples of judges that need to be fucking impeached. These judges gotta go. They relied on the knowledge of the student body. Bullshit! They went based on their own feelings. Make a reasonable, substantial disruption. How? It didn't cause it. The girl had been wearing the hat in school up until the fucking teacher's panties got into a fucking bunch, and no kid had an issue with it. That is fucking circular retarded logic. Well, they knew the students. Really? Well, the students weren't complaining. Well, that they knew what the students would feel about it. Really? Then why didn't the students complain, you fucking retards? This is a clear violation. Oh my God. Anyway, Kerr School had allowed students to wear hats during a week dedicated to showing kindness. The student's hat belonged to her father, and she wore it because it made her feel safe, according to a summary of the case. So, because this girl wore a hat that made her feel safe, because her father, who is, clearly a healthy fucking role model, who is filling that role of the, stereotypical, Norman Rockwell idea of a father. I mean, I'm not saying, it's the picturesque thing, but he's there. He is an involved father. He is part of this child's life. He cares about his child to the point of where she feels safe wearing his hat. And they're going to fucking shit on that because it has a Pew Pew on it? Are you fucking kidding me? Because the teachers got upset about the Pew Pew. The picture of the Pew Pew. No student complained about the fucking hat. If it would have caused a fucking issue, don't you think with how these days little kids are the biggest fucking tattletales because these fucking dumb fucking cunts have turned them into them, in the schools and shit, don't you think someone would have fucking complained? No one did, except for the teachers, but yet they knew what the feelings of the students were. This is fucking retarded shit. These fucking judges all need to be impeached. Every one of these fucking judges. When it's funny, if a fucking Trump judge or a Republican appointed judge had said this, they would fucking be like, yeah, Republican appointed, Trump appointed, whatever. Clearly, these had to be Democrat appointed fucking judges, gun grabbing fucking anti-free speech cunts. I mean, what the fuck? Because if it was a fucking conservative judge that ruled in the way that they liked, they would have fucking turned around and been like, look, Judge so-and-so, these judges ruled this way. I mean, give me a fucking break. I mean, this is ridiculous. I mean, this is so morally reprehensible. The girl wears a hat because it makes her feel safe, because it's her father's hat. And these fucking cunts, these fucking busybody fucking cunts, get their panties in a bunch about what's on the hat, and then hide behind the students, go, we did it for them. No, you did it for yourselves, you fucking stupid bitches. I mean, Jesus fucking Christ. I would call that out if I was this girl's father. I'd be like, no, this had nothing to do with the students. This had to do with the fact that you don't like it. You personally, as an adult. And as an adult, you should have adulted, you fucking moron. And went, I might not like that, but I should just accept that fact. But no, you had to be a fucking retard and hide behind some kids. Fucking lefties. They use children as a human fucking shield. It's disgusting. Anyway, the father subsequently filed a lawsuit claiming a violation of his daughter's First Amendment rights. The appeals court affirmed a decision in favor of the schools by the U.S. District Judge Terrence Berg. So this Judge Berg was the one who fucking originally said. So Berg and those fucking appeals court judges all got to be impeached. They got to be going. They got to be gone. If you don't want to respect the Second Amendment, you don't want to respect the First Amendment, you have no rhyme or reason or right to be on that fucking bench. Plain and fucking simple. Anyway, yeah, I've covered this well enough. I'm leaving things here. If you've made it this far and haven't already, please like and subscribe. Also feel free to subscribe over on the other platforms where this channel's content is uploaded to, as well as subscribe and follow over on sites like Minds, Gab, and Parler. Links to each are in the description.